Guys, today we are going to perform sentiment analysis using a Python library called TextBlob. Sentiment analysis can help us decipher the mood and emotions of general public and gather insightful information regarding the context. Sentiment analysis is a process of analyzing data and classifying it based on the need of the research. TextBlob is a Python library and offers a simple API to access its methods and perform basic NLP tasks. A good thing about a text blob is that they are just like Python strings. So you can transform and play with it same like we did it in Python. In text blob it is based on polarity. Determine whether it is a positive text or a negative text or a neutral. For text blob, if the polarity is greater than 0, it is considered positive. If it is less than 0, it is considered as negative, and equal to 0 is considered as neutral. Now we can straightly move to our programming. Here I am using PyCharm ID, but you can use any other ID, and also you can use terminal. As here I am using PyCharm ID, I am just creating a folder and opening it as PyCharm project, naming it as Sendy. And yes, open folder as PyCharm Community Edition project. PyCharm Community 2020.1. Loading Sendy project. It seems funny, right? Okay, on the left side you can see the Sendy folder is present. Okay, click on the file and start a new Python project. I want to give a name. I am just giving sentiment. Okay, now our file is created. Okay, now we want to, I'm just typing I want to configure interpreter. Okay, here you can see configure Python interpreter. Okay, it's Python 3.8. Yeah, now interpreter is ready. I'm going to file, settings. Yeah, and project, you want to click on project and click on Python interpreter. Okay, from there you can add any libraries or packages. You can see it's loading. Yeah, these are my installed packages: calendar, Django, datetime, pillow, PyAuto, GUI. You can see, click on the plus button on the right side, just type text blob. Okay, sorry, text blob. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, we got it. Simple Pythonic text processing, sentiment analysis, parts of speech, tagging, noun, phrase. Click on install package. Now it's installing. You can see on the left side it's installing. You can wait for it. Okay, you can see package TextBlob installed successfully. Okay, now you can close it and click on OK. Yeah, now it's ready. Now we can start programming. Okay, first of all we want to import the packages, right? Here only one package needed, that is TextBlob. So write from TextBlob import TextBlob. Okay, now we want to declare a variable that is for storing a text, that is we want to process that text later. So write it text equal to input. Okay, and just giving a sentence, enter a sentence. So this will work as the input function will get some values and store it to the variable text. Okay, now we want to process our text, that is present of our text variable, and we want to store it into a variable. So I am just giving test equal to text blob. Okay, inside that function we are giving the variable text. So here the text will be processed by text blob function and store it to the variable test. Okay, now we want to get the polarity of the text, that is 0, less than 0 or greater than 0, and we want to store it to a variable x. So write x equal to test dot sentiment dot polarity. Okay, now according to the polarity, that is 0, less than 0 or greater than 0, we want to come to a conclusion that the sentence is negative, neutral or positive. So we want to write the condition for checking it, that is if x less than 0, then print negative. Okay, then else if here elif x greater than 0, print positive. Okay, at last else print neutral. Okay, now we can run our program. Just click on run and run. Yeah, sentiment. Now it's interpret. Yeah, enter a sentence. I am just giving. It's a good day. Yeah, positive. You can see it's processed and given the output as positive. Now I am again compiling it. Enter a sentence. The section is worthless. Yeah, negative. We got it. Now I am again compiling it. Sorry, running it. Yes. Enter a sentence. That product is not bad. Yeah, we got it positive. Okay, I'm just giving. I have a car. Neutral. Yeah, we got it. Now I think this is somewhat reliable library, and but it is not perfect. I will not say this is perfect one, but this is a worthy one. Okay, I hope you got something new from here or something worthy from here. If so, please like this video and please subscribe my channel if you had not done it till now, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye.